The 2013-2019 Ford Escape key fobs use a CR232 battery. To begin, locate the small notch on the back of your key fob. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool into the notch and gently pry the fob open. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic casing. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side typically faces up. Use the screwdriver to gently pop the battery out, being cautious not to damage the surrounding electronics or touch the battery terminals directly. With the old battery removed, install the new CR232 battery, ensuring the correct polarity with the positive side up. Incorrect polarity can damage the fob's circuit board. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of the key fob casing and snap them back together. Ensure the casing is fully closed and secure. Test the fob by pressing the lock, unlock, panic, and trunk release buttons to confirm it's functioning correctly. If the fob does not work, try reseating the battery or consider reprogramming the fob at a Ford dealer if issues persist. Dispose of the old battery properly by recycling it at an electronics store.